Hello, myself Vivek Kumar. I am from Semco Infratech company. Today I am telling about all-in-one sorting machine. So I am telling about how it's operate and how it's working. So first of all, I am telling you this is a single phase machine. So I am showing how to its work. This is a single phase connection for input 240 to 220. So we can connect there and switch on the. When you switch on, then rotate the switch, then switch on, and now you can see the machine is on. Also, for the PLC on, for there is the button for clicking, press the button, then system is on. So machine is the machine for running required for pressure connection. This is the pressure line to connect to the pressure air line to connect to the pressure, because without pressure we cannot operate. So pressure between line 0.4 to 0.7. This is the dial of 18650. Also we have 26650, 21700. As per our battery, we can change. For how to change, just open the nut bolts, then we can put out outside and we can fix that, and we can set their battery plus minus or minus plus. No, that there is no difference between polarity. You can set their fixing their battery. So you can see there is a switch for machines. There is an illumination button for light illumination. So you can push for start. This is for button is for pause, and this is for brake. So I am telling about how to operate about the all channel. This is machine for 10 channel sorting. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 channel according to IR. You can short the battery, and one another for not good. That means this machine is have 11 channel total, 1 for not good and 10 for shorting for the battery as per required our VR IR value. This is the software of operating for all-in-one sorting machine. So I am opening. So this is the software. So we can set the parameters. This is the test parameter, filter record, control and manually control. How to control manually every and each parameters. This is for communication. So I can operate the communication. So this is for IR tester. Which IR you use? So we will use for HK IR tester. We can use also Yuki IR tester. So here is the option 3562, 3563, 3560. Yuki tester we can operate. Also this is the HK. So this is of our PLC connection system to machines. Now this is a control and manual. So you can control manually every machine. So you can check every parameters. This is for test parameter for changing all level, all channels. You can hear the operation. You can add your name, just like your name is X, Y, Z, and level set 10 and save. And click. There is the 10 channels value. So we can put there manually one by one value or auto generate. Auto generate working how I am telling. This is your maximum number 10. The minimum value put here. The minimum value you can put 3.1 and put here the how voltage interval in the all channels. You can put it there, voltage interval, just like you can example for 0.1 is the voltage interval for every channels. Same for voltage minimum resistance for, you can put 10 and maximum 200. Now click the confirm, success. See, all parameters, all the value automatically generate. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, just like similarly level 10, 4.1 is maximum. And you can change the parameter also, just like clicking by there. You can operate manually there. You can operate manually like 3.10 and also here 2.21. Similarly for minimum resistance, minimum maximum resistance, and confirm. This is the confirm. Now going for the protection. This is select for, first of all, select which operation, which functions you can put in the for new. So here your parameters is open. Now you can operate for, first of all, suspend, going for home. System is set. Again going for manual mode and start. There all data in front of you. Also are working for batteries, how to short the battery about the IR texture. To see the IR value of voltage and resistance. Also you can see here all data, which level, which battery is in put in the channel. I have to tell you one other function. We have one emergency, the sensor. You can see there is a sensor for sender and receiver. If any emergency issue, then we can press there, or when he fulfill the battery and he cannot operate generally, when the short, then see the working. Automatically work. This is all about our all-in-one machine. You can short any type of cylindrical cell. This is operation all-in-one sorting machine. You can check here all data, or you can going for the test record, filter record. You can check here. These are all data, or you can check level wise or parameters. Select one have no any batteries. So we have check 5. You can select 5. Click here. See 3 batteries in channel number 5. You can see also 3 batteries in channel number 5. Or we can check 7 number batteries. So going for 7 number channel, check. This is how many batteries, total 21 batteries is in channel number 7. You can see. Same for 8, same for 9. You can see the all which channel have how many batteries in your according to your cells. So this is all about the all-in-one sorting machine. So you can operate there manually or you can operate there automatic. So thank you.